Hey everybody, Mr. Ord here. Today I'm going to be doing a quick little experiment in my series of chemical things that might be a little too dangerous for you all to handle. So today I'm going to be doing a very simple precipitate lab. Precipitate is of course one of our chemical reactions or evidence for chemical change. Precipitate is basically forming a solid when you mix a couple of liquids together to form a new substance that is solid in nature. So today I'm going to be mixing up my favorite calcium chloride with my not so favorite but meh sodium carbonate. The two together should make a little bit of salt crystals inside of a little petri dish I've got going on right here. I'm going to use this because hopefully I should be able to hold it up to you and see this a little bit to see if we have any particulates or participants. First thing I need to do, got my handy dandy beakers, I need to measure out a little bit of calcium chloride. Add a little bit more, why not? And then some sodium carbonate. Both of these are just two different types of salts. And they're both anhydrous, which means I'm going to add some good old-fashioned water. And of course, if you haven't seen the reaction before, water with calcium chloride is a bit of an exothermic reaction. So I've got my thermometer here, put my laser in it, and it's going up. I think right now we're hitting 75. Ooh, it's going quite quicker than I thought. 82. So it's getting kind of warm. You can actually feel it through the glass. But I'm going to mix both of these chemicals together. I would not recommend doing this on your own just because they can be irritants. I'm going to pour them both in. And as I pour them, let them react. You can actually see, there we go, some of that crystal formation that's showing up. And the longer I let this sit, I think the thicker it's going to be. You can see them kind of floating around in there. And that is precipitate. Not as exciting as some of the other ones, especially the one I'm going to do next, but still, it's chemistry.